Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Just wanted to jump on here real quick. I know there were some issues with your asynchronous work for Tuesday. I thank you so much for all of your emails. I was working on troubleshooting that and I believe it is fixed, so I want to look at it with you, okay? So quickly, we're looking here at Schoology. So this again is the updates page. I know I put here that it's come to my attention that things were not working, and I thank you for your patience as we were fixing that issue. So if we go back to your courses, we are looking again at materials for English 8. And if we look down here at week 3 on the pink folder, you should be able now to access these two assessments. They are pre-reading assessments just to show me where you are as a reader right now. One of them is a sight reading, you'll read out loud, and then one of them is just a reading sample with some questions attached. Now, it says Tuesday in here. I'm going to go in and change this deadline because obviously you're in other classes right now and obviously you can't go back and do it. So I'm going to have some flexibility around Tuesday's work. I thank you for your patience and your flexibility. Schoology is new for all of us and we're learning together. So I thank you guys for letting me know it wasn't working. I apologize. I don't know how on your end it was not, but we have solved it now. If you have other issues, please make sure you're emailing me and we'll look at that, but I'm going to change this deadline. So for tomorrow, you should be able to do that life changes discussion as well as these assessments, no problem, but I will give you a little bit of wiggle room and some time on this because it was not working today, okay? I have office hours today from 3:30 to 4 on the Google Meet link. That's also here on Schoology. If you want to come talk to me then or even work on it then, that's totally fine and a great use of your time. Let me know how I can help you guys and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Thank you.